Assalamu alaikum and good morning to everyone. Okay, we are continuing our chapter number 2, the pioneers of computers for class 4. Everybody should has to open the page number 15. Everybody should have to open the page number 15 in their computer book. Everybody should has to open the page number 15 in their computer book. Let me write the page number 15 here so that when we move further, so every person who joined the class late will get to know that we are at the page number 15. Okay, along with it we can also write the date there so that person will also see the dates. So the date is 12 today and it's Monday, and then it's a class. Oh, it's a class 4, and we are doing chapter number 2. We are doing the chapter number 2 and we are at the page number 15. So I make it here and so that everyone can see. Okay, so everyone is on the page number 15. Everyone is on page number 15. Everyone is on page number 15. Say yes or no. Say yes or no. Yes, please.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
We are in
We
page
are
number
on
no, sir. No,
Sir,
no.
sir, we will write in the notebook today.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. I am on page
Okay, I
number
will tell
50.
you. I will tell you
Sir,
this thing later. Okay. Now everyone should have to open the page, page number 15. On the page number 15, they are discussing. Who are discussing? The writer is discussing about a Herman. There is a person named as Herman. The complete name is Herman Hollerith, but we will call him Herman because in the book Herman is there. The complete name of that person is Herman Hollerith. Okay, but we call him Herman. Herman invented the tabulating machine. Okay, what is tabulating means? The word tabulating is derived from the word tab, okay, or table. So the word tabulating machine is derived from the table. It means the data which is stored in the form of table, okay, like your mark sheet. Like your mark sheet is in the form of table. There is a boxes. In the boxes, your marks are written, your subject names are written, and you will see that how much marks you got. So in this way, the machine which in the older times Herman made, it's a tabulating machine because this machine displays or show the result in the form of tables. In the form of tables, this machine show the result. So that's why that machine is called the tabulating machine. His invention appear in the year 1890. So his invention, Herman's invention, appear in year 1890. He also introduces punch cards in this machine. Okay, the punch cards in this machine are also introduces with this machine. Okay, punch cards are used as an instruction input. Okay, in today's modern computer, how we can give input? We can give input with the help of mouse and keyboard, but at that time there is no mouse keyboard, there are only the calculators. Okay, so he made a punch card for giving input to the machine. So he also introduced the punch card concept that they can be used. Okay, then after this, he used punch cards to store and process data. He used punch card to store data and process data. He used punch card to store data and process data. He used punch card to process data and store data. And Herman also built the first punch card tabulating machine. So he built the punch card tabulating machine. He invented the tabulating machine, but that was a first tabulating machine which is used the punch card. Punch card contains the instructions which are given by the Herman, and that machine will perform the instructions. Okay. So Herman invented the punch card machine in which year? In 1890. In 1890, he invented this thing. Okay. So Herman introduced the tabulating machine, the machine which gives result in the form of table is a tabulating machine. His invention is appeared means everyone knows about this in 1890. He also introduces punch card with this machine so that this machine can be introduced or can be used. Okay. So after this invention, he started the computing, tabulating, recording. It's a name. It's a name. See. After this invention, he started the company. The name of the company is Computing Tabulating Recording Company. Computing Tabulating Recording Company. He made this company and he starts this company. Later, later after some time, this company was known as IBM. This company became IBM. The full form of IBM. Okay, anyone? Yes. It's International Business Machines. IBM stands for International Business Machines. Okay. Let me see if anyone is saying something. Okay. Amar Rahman. Yes, Amar Rahman. What do you want to say something?
Yes, sir. Sir, tabulating, computing tabulating. What means tabulating?
Amar Rahman, I told you right now that what is tabulating? Tabulating is a machine which gives you result. Okay. Computer gives you result in which form? Computer gives you result in the form of graphics. You see video, or it also gives you result in the form of paper from the printer, and it also gives you the result in the form of sound from the speaker. But in the old time, in 1890, there were no computers. Okay. So that person made this machine. This machine gives you result, show you calculations in the form of table, that's why it is called as the tabulating machine. That's why it is called as a tabulating machine. Okay. And the word computer, why don't we call it a calculator? Because this machine can do much more calculations than the calculator. Okay. So when the limit of calculator is ended, then the calculations which are above than the calculator can be done by the computer. Okay. The the calculations which cannot be done by the computer calculator can be done by the computer. Okay. So computers are made for the purpose that if the calculators stop working for any calculation, then who will do the calculations? So computer will do it. So that's why the calculations which are beyond the calculator, they will do this. That's why they are calling it a computing. Okay. This is just a bigger unit. Okay. Let's suppose I say 1 centimeter, then I say 1 kilometer. So 1 centimeter and 1 kilometer, there is a huge difference. 1 centimeter is a one. You will show 1 centimeter with the help of your hand, but you cannot show 1 kilometer with the help of the hand because it's a very much big distance. So in the same way, they are using the word computing to show that this machine can do much calculations. That's why they are using the word computing with it. Okay. He started this company, and after this company will convert it to IBM. The full form is International Business Machines. Okay. Jibrail, you want to say something? Yes, Jibrail.
Yes, sir. My question is, I don't understand one question. You said there is no keyboard and no mouse. They stole the data in the computer from the punch card. How does they store the data from that card?
Okay, they are not storing it. Okay, they are not storing it any other place. The punch card itself are storage. Okay, there is a data written on the punch card. And everybody knows what is memory card. We use memory card. Okay, in the mobile we use memory card. In the tablets we use memory card. Okay, so memory card is a memory. We put the memory card in the tablet or the mobile, and we can get the data. Okay. In the same way, he put the instructions on the punch card. Type the instructions on the punch card, and then the instructions will be performed by the tabulating machines. So in this way, these punch cards are used as a storage. And the mechanism they are using, these are the levers, gears, and shafts, and buttons are there. No keyboard and no mouse is there. Only buttons, levers, and gears are there, because one machine has different versions. Okay, so there are different pictures on the internet for this machine. Okay, so this machine contains buttons, levers, and different things for operation, but the main or the turning thing is that they have the they have punch card. They have punch card. Punch cards have a storage of a numbers on it. So punch card itself is a storage. They are saving it on the card. Okay, where is Jibril? Okay, Jibril. Jibril, do you understand? Where is Jibril? Jibril, did you understand this thing?
Yes, sir, I understand.
Okay, very good, Jibril. Very good. Okay, very good, Jibril. Okay, so now, now, so we talked about the Herman. Herman invented a machine. The machine was tabulating machine, invented in 1890. 1890, this machine was invented. Who invented it? Herman invented it. Okay, so tabulating machine, the machine which is gives the output in the form of tables. So after the invention, he started the after the invention he started after the invention he started the company. The name of the company is Computing Tabulating Recording, and after some time, this company was converted to IBM. This company was converted to IBM. This company, this company was known as IBM, converted to IBM. So, what is the full form of IBM? The full form of IBM, the full form of IBM is the full form of IBM is International Business Machines. International Business Machines is the International Business Machines. Okay. So we talked about Herman. Okay. What Herman can do. Herman invented the tabulating machine to generate the data in the form of tables. Along with it, he also prepared the punch card. Okay. Ziad wants to say something. Yes, Ziad. Ziad, you want to say something? Ziad, you raise the hand. Okay, Adam, you want to say something?
Sir, I raised my hand by mistake.
Okay, okay,
Sorry.
okay. It's no issue. Okay. Uh, Ahmadullah Mehman. Yes, Ahmadullah.
Yes, sir. I want to say Herman invented one more thing that's called a punch card. So where punch card is means where punch card goes.
Where punch card goes?
Yeah, where punch card. Uh,
Okay, okay. Ahmadullah is saying that where punch cards are gone. Okay, punch cards are not gone. Punch cards are the first thing in the history. Punch cards gives an idea for the storage. Punch cards are the first thing in the history which gives the idea for the storage. From this punch card, people will think, yes, we can store data. We can store the calculations on the punch card. Okay, so they can get the storage. Okay, idea of storage, they can store the data. Before this, we can do the calculation on the calculator, but there is no mechanism for the storage. So punch card gives the idea of the storage. It's there. They are not gone anywhere. People took this idea, and the other computers can also took the idea of the punch cards, so that they can store the information. Okay, Amin Mazin, yes, Amin Mazin, yes,
I
Amin
have a
Mazin.
question. What 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 is IBM?
IBM is a computer company. It's an international business machine. It's a computer company. Okay. So it's a computer company. Okay. Hatem. Hatem. Yes, Hatem. You want to say something? Yes, Hatem.
Sir,
Yes, please say it fast.
sir, what is the punched card?
We discussed about punch card. We discussed about the punch card. Where were you? Okay, so let me clear it. We discuss about the punch card right now. You are not listening to it. Some students also ask the question, and I also answer these. So everybody is listening. Where were you? Okay, where were you? Okay, Amir. Amir, you want to say something? Amir. Amir, you raise the hand. Kindly say it.
Sir,
Your voice is not coming, Amir. Okay, Umar Muhammad. Umar Muhammad. Yes, Umar Muhammad.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, sir. I'm sorry because my mic was not working.
Sir,
I changed the mic. I'm sorry that I.
What are you saying?
Sir,
Umar Muhammad, what are you saying? Can you repeat your sentence, please?
sir, we will do the questions.
We will do the questions, but take out a pencil, please. We will do the question. Okay,
I
take out.
have a pencil.
Okay. Then wait. Let me complete the Abdul Rahman. Abdul Rahman. Yes, Abdul Rahman. Yes, Abdul Rahman.
Yes, sir, I have a question.
Okay, ask a question, please.
What what means analytical engine?
Engine. Okay, but right now we are not discussing the analytical engine here. If I explain it, we will cut some time. I have some work to do in the class. I will tell you this answer. Okay, or you will watch the video. I uploaded the video of the previous analytical and the difference engine on the class era. You can see the video of the previous lectures. Okay, they are uploaded
Today
there.
you will send it.
Okay, because if I am going to explain this answer, we will have no time to do the answer because we have to do some task for the class. Okay, this is the previous class task. Okay, everybody should open, take out a pencil and open the book. Everybody should have to take out a pencil and open the book. I am going to tell you the page number for this. I think it's on the same page, on the page number 15, on the page number 15. On the page number 15, everybody should have to open. We are going to write, we are going to write the answers for this. Find the words that mean the following. The first answer is process. The first answer is process. The first answer is process. Everyone can do it. The first answer is process. Everyone has to do it. The first answer is process. It's process. Everyone should has to write it in the book on the page number 15. We are doing exercise. Yes, Amir, want to say something again?
sir, when the test, there are tests today.
What are you saying?
There are tests today.
No. Who said this? Kindly check the weekly plan. It's not there.
Okay, no, I ask you only.
No, it's not there. No, today we have no test.
Okay,
No test.
okay.
Okay. Abdul Rahman. Yes, Abdul Rahman. Yes.
No, sir. It's problem. I will lower.
Okay. You mistakenly raised the hand. Okay, it's okay. No issue. Okay. So everyone should has to write. Everybody should has to write the answer. It's process. Okay. Everybody should has to write the answer. Follow procedure. Okay. It means process. Okay. So when you follow some procedures, you are doing a process. The second question is saying. The second question is saying. Make a hole in something. Make a hole in something. It's punch. Okay. Okay. We normally punch the paper. We normally punch the paper and we put the papers in the file and we punch them. Okay. With the help of punch machine, we punch or make a hole in the paper and we punch the papers. So the right answer for the blank two is punch. Punch. Okay. Punch. Yes, Hatim. Want to say something? Yes, Hatem, what do you want to say?
sir, what is a punched card?
Because I was out from the meeting by mistake.
Okay. I will explain you, but I explained this thing in the starting of the class and I explained it more than once. Okay. Because if I again going to explain it, then our period will be over and our time will be left. Okay. I will upload the video lecture. You will see the video lecture there. Okay. Okay. Ahmad Abdullah. Ahmad Abdullah Mehman.
Sir,
Yes.
if we have time, so can you tell how the tabulating machine works?
How tabulating machine works? Okay, it's not included in
Yes.
your course, it's not included in their class. Okay, if I'm going to explain, it will take a complete class to explain the working, and this working is difficult to understand. How I know very well that how it works, but if I am going to explain this thing is not included in the course material, this thing is not included in the book. Then many students will say that this uh, thing is not in the book, why we are seeing that how the machine works. Okay, so this is not included in the book. We will see these things in the later classes. Okay, when you go to the bigger classes, you will see the working also, but right now this thing is not included in the book, that the working of the older machines is not included in the current book. Okay, Adam. Yes, Adam, you raise the hand, Adam.
Sir, I know the answer of the last one is
Okay, I will tell the
exercise.
answer. I will tell the answer. Okay, no one is giving an answer. I will tell the answer. Okay, so arrange information in a table. Arrange information in a table. So whenever you have to arrange the arrange the information in the form of table, let's suppose in the mark sheet, when you get the mark sheet, you will show the data in the form of table. It's tabulating or tabulate, tabulating or tabulate. So it's tabulate. It's TABULATE. It's TABULATE. It's tabulate. So answer one is for procedure, it's process. Follow procedure, it's process. The second one is make a hole in something, it's punch. And then arrange information in a table form, it's tabulate. It's tabulate. It's TABULATE. It's tabulate. It's TABULATE. Tabulate. Everyone should has to write this in the book on the page number 15. In the book on the page number 15. Everyone should have to write this in the book on the page number 15. Yes, Amin Mazin. Yes, Amin Mazin, want to say something?
Tabulating. Is this okay?
Yes. What are you saying?
I write in number 3 tabulating.
Very
Is
good.
this
If you
okay?
wrote it earlier, very good. Okay. So, Adam, raise the hand again. Yes, Adam. What do you want to say? Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, nothing is there. Okay. So everyone should have to open the notebook. Open the notebook and write the questions. We will do some questions in the notebook. Okay. We will do only two questions in the notebook. Everybody should has to open the notebook and write this question. Everybody should has to open the notebook and write this question. Everybody should has to open the notebook and write this question. Who was Blaise Pascal? Who was Blaise Pascal? Okay, it's a question number one. Everyone should have to write. But before this, you have to write the name of the chapter on the top of the page. Everybody should has to write the name of the chapter on the top of the page. It's Pioneers of Computer, and you have to write, mention the date. You have to mention the date on the left hand side. Okay. So, so everyone should has to write. Everyone should has to write the name of the chapter on the top of the page. Everyone should write the question number one. Now, now I am showing you the answer for. Okay, so let me. Okay, so who is there? It's it's Musa. Yes, Musa, want to say something? Yes, Musa. Yes. Musa, you raise your hand. What do you want to say? Okay. Yeah. Okay, done. I think students are done with the question. Okay. I'm going to show you the answer for the question number one. This is the answer for the question number 1. Everyone should has to write this. Okay. Okay. Everyone should has to write this. Okay. Ghassan. Yes, Ghassan. What do you want to say? Ghassan, are you there?
Sir, write the notebook.
What I am saying, I am saying it 2 times. You have to write this in the notebook. Everybody should have to write this in the notebook. Okay.
Notebook.
Everybody should write. Yes, Hatem. What do you want to say? Yes, Hatem. What do you want to
Sir, by
say?
mistake,
Okay.
I
Okay.
raised my hand.
No issue. No issue. Okay, it's okay. Yes, Tafim. Yes, Tafim. What do you
What,
want to
sir?
say?
Why you unmute me?
Sir, do we have to send it?
Yes, Tafim. What do you want to say? Tafim, you can unmute yourself.
Sir, do we have to send it to you?
Yes, after writing. After writing, you have to send it to me.
Sir.
Okay, picture. Okay, in the form of picture. Okay, everybody done? Everybody done the question? One with the answer? Done or no?
No, sir.
No.
Sir, I did
Take
finish.
No, sir.
take your time. Everybody should has to write. Take your time. Take your time and write it in the. Take your time and write in your notebook. Okay, I will wait for the students. Okay, take your time and write in your book, notebook. Take your time and write the question in your question and the answer in your notebook. Okay. So now question number 2 is on the screen. So those who are done with the question number 1, they can write the question number 2 in their notebook, and after this, after 1 minute, I will show you the answer. Okay. So those who are not done with the question number 1, they can write the question number 1 along. Those who are done, they can write the question number 2. And now I'm going to show you the answer for the question number 2 so that you can write. Okay, you can write the question. Okay, it's there. Answer is there. Answer for the question number 2 is on the screen. You can write it in your notebook. Okay, these are the 2 questions which we have to do, and that's it. We only do 2 questions. Okay, everybody has to do these questions in the notebook, and after writing these questions in the notebook, you have to send me the picture of that notebook page on which you have write the question. And where would you have send me the picture? On the mail in the class error. Okay, everyone understand? Everyone understand this thing? Okay, everyone should have to write this in the notebook. Everyone should have to write this in the notebook. Everyone should have to write these questions in the notebook. Question number 1 and 2. Answers are there. What did Leibniz develop? In what ways? In what way was he successful? Leibniz developed the Leibniz calculator. He successfully used binary number systems, which is based of today's computers. So he was successful. Okay. So everybody should has to write this in the notebook. Now the period is over. We will meet in the next class. We will meet in the next class. There is assignment for you. You can do the assignment from the course material, and 2 questions are done from the chapter Pioneers of Computers. So we will meet in the next class. Have a nice day.